What's up, everybody? What's going on? Boys and girls, welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. My goodness, what a day. What a day. What a start to the month. If you guys are ready to learn, trade, and profit for real, you've come to not only the right place, but the place. Guys, take a minute right now, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, and share this stream on your own media. Okay? We're streaming right now live on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Twitch. Share this stream. Guys, True Trading Group is the fastest growing, highest rated premium online trading educational platform and community where we all share the same goal. And that's to learn, trade, and profit together 6 nights a week, Sunday through Friday. We go live right here for free on this YouTube channel with myself, other professional traders, and special guests drop golden nuggets of education and free lessons that are going to help you guys become better traders. My name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, now the current head trader at True Trading Group. And along with my team of 6 other pro trader moderators, we cover all different styles of trading: day trading, swing trading, options, advanced options, shorting, long-term investing, and more. Guys, there's literally something in True Trading Group for everybody, regardless of your trading style or your experience level. I started my career working for a fund in New York right out of college, 2007, my very first job. I didn't figure this stuff out on my own, okay? They taught me how to become the trader that I am here now today. I didn't figure this stuff out on my own. Okay, I didn't have to scour through hours of YouTube videos. I was taught by other professional traders how to do this the right way. I went on in 2008 to receive a Trader of the Year award from the firm, but none of that happened until they actually put me through this training program. I wasn't able to touch $1 of their money until I passed their training. I've taken that curriculum, I've simplified it, I've paired it with the top trading tools available today, and I've made it all available on the True Trading Group platform. Okay, guys, tonight's live stream is going to go down as follows. We're going to start things off with a 15-minute Q&A session. Okay, this is going to be your chance to ask me questions. All right, you'll type the questions right in chat. We'll throw them up on the screen. I'll answer them. This is your time to ask me whatever you want. I'm telling you guys right now, do not be shy. Don't be embarrassed. Don't feel like it's a stupid question. I've been doing this for 17 years. I had a day one also. Okay, anybody else that's on this live stream, don't ever put down somebody that is asking a super beginner question, because don't forget, no matter how experienced of a trader you are, you also had a day one. So don't feel embarrassed. This is your time to ask questions. Then we're going to get into the market recap. What happened today? Today was actually a pretty crazy day in the markets. We had a wild close. Okay, the day started off quiet, finished with a bang. Then we're going to break down all of my trades, and we are going to talk about how to trade small caps. I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about hotkey setups. Okay, for those that don't know what hotkeys are, don't worry. Hang out for a little while. We're going to go over all of that. We have been ripping small caps to shreds. Okay, NMRD today, LEDS. It's been a monster start to the month of May. I've been telling you guys that small caps were hot. I've been telling you that they're back. I've been focusing on them all week. We've been hitting home runs on them. You just got to get your butt in chat. That's it. Get your butt in chat and start trading these huge runners the right way. Don't try to figure this stuff out on your own, guys. Okay, that volatility does carry extra risk, so you want to make sure that you know what you're doing and you have the guidance to profit from these trades. All right, so guys, let's get things started here right now. Okay, let's get things started. I don't want to waste another minute here. So let's start off with the 15-minute Q&A session. All right, so you guys go ahead right now. Start typing your questions right in chat. All right, and we'll go ahead and begin that Q&A. My view on the medium and long-term gold market: bullish, 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 and also bullish. Is that a Tim? I don't know who that is. Who is that? I don't know who that is. No, it's not. First day as a member and already made half of my membership fee on the NMRD trade. Anthony, welcome to the family, brother. Great job today on NMRD. That was a nice one. LEDS was bigger for me, but NMRD was a really nice one today. Welcome to the TTG family. Your first day with us, already made half his membership on one trade. I love it. Beautiful. Are you in my, oh, yes. Yes, I am. I'm down in Miami right now, guys. I'm in Miami right now. I'm in the TTG headquarters. I'm in TTG headquarters. Hey, just want to say thanks. Saw your stream on the Peloton trade. Then I found exact same setup. Palantir today and baked 92%. Oh, yes. Going to start saving while I grow my small account to get your course. Reggie, great job, man. Really great job. That's why I do these lives, guys. But listen, Reggie, TTG is not just a course. That's the one thing I want you to understand. Okay. Yes, you get access to all of our courses when you become a member. Okay. But TTG is a platform. It's a platform that provides you with all of the resources and tools that you need to be a trader. Level 2, a charting software, a scanner, okay, a news feed, okay, analyst ratings and stock profiles, a video library with over 100 hours of webinars and workshops, a 15-course curriculum that's a simplified version of what I learned working at the hedge fund, private study groups, one-on-one mentor sessions, okay? There's so much that is involved with a TTG membership. It's not just a course, okay? So True Trading Group is a platform. But Reggie, I'm ready to trade when you are, man. I look forward to trading with you. Great job on that Palantir trade. Did my kid write on your shirt? All right, first, I don't have any kids. Guys, it's Saint Laurent. It's Saint Laurent. It's not an autograph. That's the shirt. It's Saint Laurent. Come on. Stop picking on me. Everybody stop picking on me. How about today? I had a good trading day. Thanks, Ernesto. Great job. Great job. I had a good day today too, man. Great job. Action's been great. Small caps have been great. They've been great. Ask me something tough. Come on, guys. Give me a question. This is your time. This is your time. I do this for a few minutes. Give some time for people to log on to the stream. Ask me questions. Signed up last night and LEDS almost paid for my membership. Yes, D7. LEDS was a beautiful trade today. Congrats. Everybody that made money on LEDS today. Great job, guys. Mike, what was the hardest thing you had to overcome to become a successful trader, i.e. position size indicators, having enough money in your account, etc.? Peyton Weaver, it is risk management and my emotion. For me, emotions was the hardest thing for me to overcome. It's not indicators. It's nothing. Becoming a good trader, the hardest part is not the technical stuff. It's not the charts. It's not the indicators. It's not the setups. That's the easy part. Okay, I can teach you guys how to identify a good setup versus a bad setup, how to use indicators the right way. You know, I can teach you all of that stuff like this. Okay, you're smart people. It's the mental part of trading where people will struggle. That's why I spent so much time developing a 2-part trader psychology course that's part of the curriculum. This is our members' favorite course. My THD fam, sound off in chat right now if the trader psychology course is your favorite and is the one that has had the biggest impact on your trading. I want you guys to sound off in chat right now. Our trader psychology course, okay, is going to get you into the right mindset in order to be a trader, okay? Becoming a consistently profitable trader and a successful trader is not about technical analysis. It's all about up here. And controlling my emotions was the hardest part for me as a trader. I was a nutcase when I was younger. Okay, I would get very angry. I would revenge trade. I would get upset. I was very arrogant. I had a lot of success early on, and I would get arrogant. I would refuse to admit that I was wrong. I would average down, and I would take these huge losses. But once I got my emotions under control, then your risk management gets under control, and that's when I really turned the corner myself. It's the emotional and the psychological aspect of trading, and that's why the trader psychology course is so important, and that's why it's our members' favorite course. Can you explain the standard deviation channel? Yeah, sure. Trade day, Jay. I don't really use standard deviation channel. It is a good one. So typically you'll use the upper and so the outer bands, the outer levels of the standard deviation channel will sometimes act as support and resistance when a stock is inside. Okay. So when you have a stock that makes a large move to the downside and gets to the bottom end of that standard deviation channel, it will sometimes act as an area of support. And that standard deviation channel just kind of like averages out the moves that the stock is making within this price range. I don't really use them that much. They are a great indicator. I know a lot of traders that do use them, and you'll find them the most helpful when it reaches the outer levels or the outer bands. Okay, is when that's going to be something that will really come into play. Just like any other indicator, don't just solely rely on standard deviation channels. Okay, don't just solely rely on them. Use them in conjunction with other indicators. That is the whole point of technical analysis. Technical analysis, so many traders will search their entire career looking for like one special indicator or like a trick that's going to always work. There's not an indicator that exists that is going to always work. So that's why you need to understand how multiple indicators work in conjunction with one another so that you can say, okay, the standard deviation channel is telling me this. The MACD is telling me this. Okay, my 50-day moving average is telling me this. My trade line is telling me that. My Fibonacci level is telling me this. And use all of those things together to be able to say this is an A-plus setup. Okay, but standard deviation channels are good indicators. I just don't happen to use them. When you have PTSD after losing big, how to begin trading again? Dan, you got to get your feet wet, brother. You got to get back in the car after the crash. All right. The way that I'll tell people to kind of get themselves back into a groove, you go and you trade on the simulator first. So if you've had PTSD from a large loss, you trade on the simulator first. All right. We have a trade simulator that's free with your membership. You don't ever have to pay $1 for it. You can use it for a whole year if you want. Doesn't matter. That simulator is yours. Practice on it. Okay. Go through the courses. Implement what you learn in the courses on the simulator. Get your feet wet. Prove to yourself that you can make money. Okay. Prove to yourself that you can make money on that simulator before you start going to real cash. When you do go to real cash, you start real slow. You start real small enough to the point where you almost really don't even care if you make a losing trade. All right. You've got to just get your feet wet and dip your toes back in the water. When you do that, starting off real small. Do not start trading with the mindset, I've got to make all that money back. You got to let that money go. You can't think about it. If you sit down at your desk and you're ready to trade, and the first thing you think about is the money that you just lost, this big money that you lost that is causing this PTSD, if that's the first thing you think about, you got to get up from your desk, got to walk away. You're not ready yet. Okay? You're not ready yet. You can't come back into it and saying, I've got to make this money back. You got to start fresh from square one and start small and ease your way back into it, and then slowly increase your risk by like 25% increments. So let's say you're risking $100 per trade. Trade well for a month or two, then increase it by 25%. Trade well for 1 or 2 weeks, increase it by another 25%. Trade well for 1 or 2 weeks, increase it by another 25%. Eventually, you're going to get to a level where it's too much size, you're not comfortable, and that's your ceiling. And now you'll stay there. You'll plateau there. You'll stay there for a couple months until you're ready to start that process again. Like, I sometimes take my second piece of profit off too early, only to watch the stock really extend. I'm still a little shell-shocked over some losses on previous trades. How do I get over this? Eric, I'm glad you asked. I've got one very simple exercise that you can implement in your trading starting tomorrow that can help you with this. From now on, when a stock gets to profit target number 1, you sell 25% of your position, right? You're already doing that. You're already talking about tiers. Okay, you're already doing that. When that happens and you take 25% profit, move your stop loss to break even immediately. Okay, move your stop loss to break even. The problem that you have right now, Eric, is that you're scared to lose. Okay, like you said, you're still a little shell-shocked from losses on previous trades. We've got to break that fear of losing. So in order to do that, let's remove the possibility altogether. If you take 25% off at profit target number 1 and then move your stop loss to break even, there's no way you can lose on the trade. The trade can completely fail. There's no way you can lose. You're either going to break even or you're going to have a small profit, right? You can't lose. Now, the thoughts here are, once you move that stop loss to break even, and I want you to set a physical hard stop loss, because we need to remove you out of the equation. You are the variable of this situation. It's your mind. So we got to remove you from the equation. So once you take first profit, set a hard stop at break even and back up. Back up. Now let the stock either stop you out or get to profit target 2. Now the thought here is, by doing this, you remove the fear of losing because the possibility of losing no longer exists. So the thought is that now you'll be more comfortable to sit, let the stock do what it's going to do. You are not allowed to exit that trade unless you get stopped out or you get to profit target number 2. Now, by doing this, understand you are moving your stop loss up prematurely. You are going to get stopped out sometimes and the stock will continue higher. Know that going into this. Accept it when it happens. But our goal right now is not for you to make money. Our goal right now is for you to break this habit of fear of losing that's causing you to sell winning trades too soon. Okay? You're not going to start making money and then fix this problem. You got to fix this problem first. So we're going to implement this little exercise for you. Try it out for about 2 weeks, because once you just have to be in these trades. Once you're in them, okay, and you realize what's on the other side of the fear, that's how you break the mental hurdle. Try that out. Let me know how it goes. I'm sure I'm not the only one, but I am on the fence about joining. I work minimum 50 hours weekly, 3 kids and a wife, 0 financial background education. Can this platform and courses work for me? Escobar, my man. I'm really glad you asked me this question. The answer is absolutely, undoubtedly yes, many reasons. First, all of our courses are broken up into beginner and foundation courses and advanced courses. We have many, many members that have never traded a stock a day in their life before they joined True Trading Group. Many of them. We also have the overwhelming majority of our members, and there's about 5,800, 5,900 of them, that work full-time jobs. My TTG family members, I want all of you that work a full-time job and are making money with True Trading Group, I want you all to type the letter I in chat right now. If you're a member of TTG, you work a full-time job, and you're making money with True Trading Group, I want you to type the letter I in chat right now. Escobar and anybody else that has this same hesitancy, I want you to pay attention to the amount of letter I's that are being typed in chat right now. Every single letter I you're seeing is a TTG member that is making money while working a full-time job. Let me explain to you how they're doing that. We have a mobile app that every member gets access to, downloadable on iPhone and Android. It allows you to stay connected to the chat room even though you're not in front of your computer. You'll be able, on your mobile device, to see the screen share, because me and the moderators, we share our screen with you throughout the day. Okay, you'll be able to listen to the audio analysis as I'm talking to people in real time. All the moderators are on the mic as well. And you will also get real-time push notifications sent through the mobile app whenever a moderator enters or exits a trade. We also have a workshop, okay, that's in the video library. It's a 2-hour-long workshop that's about how to trade while working a full-time job. There's different trading styles and different trading strategies that you can implement, like swing trading, okay, that are going to allow you to be able to profit and benefit from the trading action that's going on in chat day in and day out, even though you're not in front of your computer. Okay? So believe me, the overwhelming majority of our members do work full-time jobs. Escobar, you are not alone, my man. There's thousands of TTG members that are making money right now while working a full-time job. Gumba goes, yo, I'm at work right now. Nice. What I will tell you, last thing I will, guys, go ahead, type your questions right in chat. Let's go. I'll take a couple more. I'll take 2 or 3 more, guys. I'll take 2 or 3 more questions. Type your questions in chat. Just remember, for those of you that are working, now listen, some people have different types of jobs, right? Trade when you can, not when you want, is what I will tell people that are trying to day trade. Swing trading, different. Swing trading, you can put those trades on. We have moderators that specialize in swing trading. We have a swing trading course. There's swing trades called out in chat every single day. Okay, swing trades that go out every single day. Guys, before we go any further, I want to know right now if this is your first TTD live stream or you're not a member of True Trading Group, type the letter I in chat right now. Before we go any further, I want to know, is this your first live stream or are you not a member of TTG? Type the letter I in chat right now, guys. All right, we got SBC King. We got Captain JBC. We got Get Blowed 407. We got Ophelia Orange. We got Jacqueline, Joseph Lub, Mega Watch, Asim Salam. We got 3J16, Alfred Huang, Michael Cherdusky, Jerry White, JS, Jonathan Yount, Kathy the Stock Gal. What's up, Kathy? I remember you from the other streams. We got Karen Logan. Katie's in the house. Katie Marquardt. I remember Katie from the other stream. We got Ann Brown. TBN says, I'm seriously thinking about joining. TBN, I seriously think it's a good idea. My TGG fam, do you guys think it's a good idea for TBN to join the group? TBN, don't take it from me. Take it from the TGG fam. I'll let my members answer that question if they think it's a good idea for you to join or not. We got Randy Watson. We got Money says, hi, Mike. Money, what's good? We got Julie Kelly's here. Dee Dee Jack. We got Matt Lanham. What's up, guys? Beautiful. I love it. I love seeing all these new faces. I really do. It shows you guys are motivated. You're determined. You want to learn. I like it. I like it. I like it. Guys, for those of you that are brand new on these live streams, you're going to get a crash course about what really trading is all about. TTG is just all about truth, no fluff. I'll never BS you. I'll never blow smoke up your ass. I tell you like it is. Stick around for a little while, guys. You're going to learn something. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. Huge thanks to TTG. I was constantly getting out of profitable trades early after pullback and consolidation, but now after the courses and getting experience, profits and confidence have gone way up. Yes, Jason. Yes. Yes. Great job, man. Really great job. Guys, like the comments that you see coming from people in chat, trading, you're smart people. There's not like being good at trading is not something that's only for like gift-minded people, or it's only reserved for like this secret world of Wall Street. You just have to learn how to do it the right way. Trading's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not going to sign up to True Trading Group and make $1 million tomorrow and quit your job. You got to be willing to put in a little bit of time, energy, and effort to learn a new skill. That is what you are doing. You are learning a new skill. Okay? If you were going to learn any other skill in the world, you would have to actually work at it, learn it, and get trained to excel at it. Trading is no different. I don't know why everybody just thinks that they're just going to put money into a Robinhood account and they're going to excel in someone else's professional arena. This is my professional arena. This is the trader at Goldman Sachs' professional arena, the trader at the hedge fund, the professional trader for 25 years. Okay, the guy on the trade desk at Citigroup. This is their professional arena. My TTG members, this is their professional arena. For you to think that you're going to step into someone else's profession with no training whatsoever and be successful is foolish, arrogant, and naive. I would never walk into anyone else's profession and think that I can do that job better than them, that I can be as successful as they are without having any training whatsoever. It's like walking into an operating room and thinking you can do just as good of a job as the surgeon that spent 15 years in medical school and has been doing surgery for the last 15 years on top of that. Walking into a courtroom thinking you can argue a case just as good as the lawyer who spent 5 years in law school and has been a lawyer for 10 years. You would never think that, ever. Why do you think you can do that when it comes to trading? When you place a trade, there's somebody else on the other side of that trade. It might be me. It might be the trader from Goldman Sachs. It might be the trader from the hedge fund. It might be one of my TTG members. Are you confident enough in your skill and your ability to go up against me, to go up against the guy from Goldman Sachs? What about the girl at the hedge fund? Are you confident enough to go up against that person? Because guess what? When you buy shares, you're buying them from somebody. This is what drives me crazy about when people first get started with trading. And then they wonder why they lose money. What do you mean you wonder why you lose money? It's like I walk into an operating room and I've never stepped foot in an operating. I've never gotten training. I've never went to the medical school. And I'm shocked that I killed the patient. Oh my God. You know what? Surgery, it's a scam. It's a scam. Surgery's a scam. I don't understand why people feel this way about trading. This is the part that I don't get. But the point is, if you are taught how to do it properly. Now, if I did go to med school and I did get training, maybe I could be a really good surgeon. I don't know. If I did go to law school and I got the right education and I was taught how to try a case, maybe I could be a really good lawyer. If you get an education, if you get the right training, maybe you can be a really good trader. But it's certainly not going to happen without any of that education or training. Everyone likes to go out there and make it look easy, right? You go on YouTube, you're like, I made $50,000 today. Let me show you how. Oh, look at my car. Look at my house. Everybody wants to feed into your desire to get rich quick. Trading's not a get rich quick scheme, guys. I told you, I'm never going to blow smoke up your ass. I will tell you how it is always. But what really is possible with trading, being your own boss, endless upside potential, traveling the world, all you need is internet. You can work from anywhere in the world. This is what truly is possible. You want to make 50 grand a year, 100, 150, 250, 500, a million? Why not? What's stopping you? Nothing. My sister's a high school English teacher. She could be the best high school English teacher in the country. She'll never make 250 grand a year because there's limitations. There's a cap to her earning potential. As a trader, there isn't one. The road won't be smooth, but the destination is worth the journey. I'm telling you guys this right now. All right. So guys, listen, it seems like there's, it seems like there's a lot of new traders that are on here tonight. And, I'll just you kind of see my passion a little bit. I hate when I see traders and innocent people, I hate when I see innocent people get taken advantage of like this. Guys, listen. Anyone on here, I challenge all of you right now. Anyone that's not a member, I challenge you guys right now. We have a $3 trial. It's for 1 week. It's $3. There's no auto renew, no reoccurring payment. It's literally just $3. That's less. Well, it's all the way over there. My Starbucks coffee is all the way over there, so I can't reach it. But it's less than my cup of Starbucks coffee that I get every morning. Okay? Everybody's got $3. The best $3 you ever spent in your life. Those $3 are going to get you 3 sample courses that are in text and video format, a week access into our Benzinga news feed that gives you live breaking to second news alerts. You're going to get access to our trade ideas scanner, our stock profile and analyst rating tool. Okay. Our daily trading chat room where you can interact with moderators and members and get a feel for really what it's like to be part of the TGD community. Guys, it's $3. It's not, there's no auto renew. There's no reoccurring payment. If you do not upgrade manually to a full membership, it just expires. You're never charged again. So anyone that's thinking about it, I challenge you all right now. It's $3. You've all spent $3 on way dumber stuff like this, more than $3. Okay. Go to ttgthree.com. The URL is right there at the bottom of your screen. Okay. ttgthree.com. All right. Why do we charge $3? Because if we didn't, we'd have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people that are on trials that are in our chat room. So we like to maintain a level of quality inside of our chat room. By charging you $3, we just know you're a real person. That's it. We know you're a real person. We know that you're interested in this. You might want to become part of the group. That's why the $3 is there. All right. There's no auto renew. It will not auto renew. Okay. One-time payment, $3. That's it. I got to take like one more cue. I'll take a question or two more. You guys have any more questions before we get started here? Mike is educated and cute. It's a true win-win. Thanks, Wolfpack Beard. Appreciate it, bro. Best practices for pre-market trading. The best practices. Oh, what's up, man? We did. Me and Michael McCabe, him and I. We literally just had a one-on-one an hour ago. We just had a one-on-one 2 hours ago. We just had a one-on-one 2 hours ago. The best practices for pre-market trading. It's the exact same practices that you're going to implement when the bell rings. Okay, exact same. So this is Mike is a different time zone in a totally different country. He's literally on the other side of, all the way across the pond. Okay. So when you're trading pre-market, you really want to make sure you're focused on stocks that have steady liquidity. Do not just get sucked into every single stock pre-market that gets a spike in volume. There's a difference between a spike in volume and strong volume. Strong volume has consistency. Okay. A spike in volume is just that. That's it. Strong volume is the volume is picking up. It's getting bigger. It's consistent. Make sure the volume is consistent before you ever pull the trigger on a pre-market trade. The same rules will apply. The same patterns will apply. The same risk management will apply that you'll learn. Michael is he's a member, guys. So everything is going to apply. Okay. So just make sure that liquidity is steady. That's it. Debs says, I didn't even bother with the trial after hearing about everything that is included and listening to Mike break down the trades on the live stream. I knew this group was legit. I joined immediately. Debs, pleasure having you as part of the group. Oh, there's her comment. Yeah, so I just read that. That's a comment that I just read from Debs, guys. Steady Eddie did the same thing. Honestly, if you're on here, I'm being honest, guys, if you're on this live stream and you're not a member, you owe it to yourself to do the trial. Seriously. I'm not kidding. Any of my members will tell you the same thing. Guys, my THC fam, you guys think that people that are on here that are not members, you think that they should join the trial? Yes or no? So anyone here that's not a member, I'll just let my THC fam who are members, I'll let them decide, or I'll let them tell you if they think you should join the trial or not. And I would just pay attention to some of the comments that are coming through chat. Guys, worst case scenario, you're out $3. Best case scenario, you develop a skill that can generate another income stream for you and your family. You weigh the risk reward on that trade. A lot of trading is risk reward, and understanding that relationship and understanding that analysis. You want to talk about risk reward? What's your risk by joining the trial? $3. What's your reward? Potentially becoming a consistently profitable trader. You weigh that risk reward and you tell me what's worth it. Mike, what advice can you give to people who lost so much money and they're scared to be burned again? This is what really frustrates me. You know, like, this is kind of where True Trading Group kind of came from, and where my partner Adam and I, you know, where the vision of True Trading Group, where it became, because we've been working at True Trading Group since 2014 was when we finally like first came up with the idea. And what is out there right now, not saying all of them, there's a lot of other services out there that promise you the world and give you absolutely nothing in return. And a lot of people have been burned by false promises. A lot of people have spent thousands and thousands of dollars on ridiculous VIP inner circle, special mentor challenge programs, and have been left with nothing. It really bothers me because you have innocent people that are trying to spend their hard-earned money to learn a new skill that can better their lives and the lives of their family. And it should not be this difficult to get access to this information. It shouldn't. You shouldn't have to navigate the scam artist from someone that actually knows what they're talking about. We launched True Trading Group the end of 2016, beginning of 2017. We've been building the platform ever since. My team and I, we work about 12 to 15 hours a day minimum for our TeachD family. We provide our members with access to a professional 15-course curriculum. That's a simplified version of the stuff that I learned working at the fund. Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed, Quote Media's real-time level 1, real-time full book level 2, real-time options data, Trading Views Pro Plus charting software, ET&A's trade simulator that lets you trade stocks and options with fake money so you can practice what you're learning in the courses, access to our chat room. That's unlike anything you've ever experienced, guys. It's not Telegram. It's not WhatsApp. It's not Discord. It's a proprietary chat room software that is unbelievable. It's a total game changer. While in chat, we're with you the whole day. We're not gone after 2 hours. You'll have to fend for yourself. Me and my moderators are in chat all day, every day, trading with you in the trenches, identifying opportunity, calling out trades in advance, and answering questions to help you profit as best you can. We give you access to all of us. You can DM us. You can ask us questions. We don't charge you extra for that stuff. We do live workshops, live webinars every week. We do one-on-one mentor sessions. We do private study groups. We've got a new crypto course, and we're adding a new crypto mod coming out this month. We go above and beyond for all of our TeachD members to make sure that you have all of the resources and tools that you need to become a consistently profitable trader. We don't promise you, the stars and the moon and provide you with nothing. We are there with you from day one. We also give back to all of our members, guys. We've given away hundreds of thousands of dollars in cash and prizes to our members. Like every time we get 300 new members, we raffle off a Tesla or $30,000. The winner chooses. Okay. All you need to do is be a member. You can enter that raffle. We're like 65% of the way there, I believe, for our next Tesla giveaway. All you got to do is be a member, guys, and you can register for the giveaway. Just be a member. That's it. And you have a chance to win a Tesla or 30 grand. All right. And win a Tesla or 30 grand. You might ask, like, what? Oh, and anyone that joins tonight by midnight also gets a free Amazon Kindle Fire HD tablet. I believe we've got about 18 of them left. Okay, I believe we have 18 of them left. So the next 18 people that join True Trading Group will get a free Amazon Kindle Fire HD tablet, totally free. We even cover the shipping. It's our gift to you. But you might say, like, why do we do all this? And this takes me right to your question, Ramrod. And I love your name, Ramrod. Okay, this takes me right to your question. Why do we do all this? Let me show you. I want anyone that's on this live stream right now, if you have been part of another group where you've gotten courses, a chat room, you were promised the world only to sign up and then be consistently upsold on something else, nickel and dime, and always feel like success was just a few $1,000s more away. As long as you kept buying whatever service they were selling you, you'd eventually make money. I want you to type the number 1 in chat right now if that has happened to you. Go ahead, guys. Type the number 1 in chat right now. Look at all these number 1s. Look at all these number 1s. Man, that's why, guys. Look at all these number 1s. That's why. This is why. This is why this is the platform that we've created, True Trading Group. Because of all these people that have been scammed by people before. Unbelievable, man. It's so frustrating. It sucks. I'm sorry. All of you typing number 1, I really am truly sorry that you guys have gone through that. You know, listen, at the end of the day, TTG is a business. But it's a business that operates in a space with one of the worst reputations. It's for a good reason, because people in this industry will say and do anything in order to get you to pay for something and then push you to pay for more and more and more until you have nothing left to pay. Adam and I decided a long time ago that in order for True Trading Group to be something bigger than just like a trading group, that we had to come into this industry and disrupt everything. Every day we eat, breathe, sleep. Okay, this for our members. And yes, that includes even after you give us a membership fee. Okay, your relationship with us begins when you sign up. For a lot of other services, that's when your relationship ends. You have this guru that's in your face all day, every day. Once you sign up, they're gone. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? It's the exact opposite with TTG, guys. You have access to me and the entire moderator group all day, every single day. Guys, the people you see commenting, like all my members, they're not paid to be here. They're here because they support us. They're doing well with True Trading Group. They recognize our passion. They recognize that they're part of something much bigger, and they support us just like we support them. A price of a TTD membership, guys, is usually $2,212, but we are offering a 40% discount right now up until midnight, where you can actually get the price all the way down to just $1,314. That price does go up every day. Will continue to go up. After midnight, the price will go up. Now, you might be saying, why? Why do you keep raising your price every single day by a couple of bucks? Because in life, you got to understand what your value is. We understand ours. It's a hell of a lot more than $1,300 for the things you have access to. You are not paying $1,300 to get trade alerts and courses. It is so much more than that. Okay, all of those services and products and tools, they all cost a lot of money if you were to buy them on your own. They're all included with your membership. We have one price you pay up front. You are never asked to pay another dollar. You have access to every single thing we have, like Netflix. When Netflix comes out with a new documentary, they don't charge you for it. It's included in your membership. Same thing with True Trading Group. We're going to be moving our price up to $2,500 for the year. We're going to run sales that'll bring it to like $2,250, $2K. Okay, but we'll also have a price match guarantee, which is like you sign up for $2,500, and then if there's a $2,000 sale, we'll give you a $500 credit towards your renewal for the following year. Okay, this way nobody feels like they ever get shafted with the price. But we are moving our price up to $2,500. Okay, we're not going to do it right away. We're going to move it up every day, a couple of bucks each day. We're going to be over 2K before you guys know it. Don't wait for Memorial Day weekend. Okay, it will not be cheaper. The price that you can get today with coupon code TTG121 is $13.14. At midnight, you won't be able to get it for $13.14 anymore, as the price will be going up, and another day it'll go up, and so on until we get our price up to over $2,000. We also have a money-back guarantee, guys. I'm so confident that this can and will work for you if you're willing to put in a little bit of effort, that if you go through all our courses, you pass all our quizzes, and you attend a private study group, if you do those three things and put in an effort, if you don't make back your membership fee, $1,314, if you don't make that back at least one time throughout your membership, I'll give you all your money back. I'll give you a full refund. That's how confident I am this can and will work for you. 82% of our members have gone on to become profitable traders. If that was not the case, I wouldn't be able to offer you a money-back guarantee. I'd be a complete idiot to offer you a money-back guarantee if my members were struggling. So guys, use coupon code TTG121. You'll get the 40% discount. You have to enter the coupon code. Click apply code. It's not going to discount it automatically. You have to enter that code. If you don't, you're going to be paying $2,000. That code is for you for being on this live stream. Use it. Enter TTG121. Click apply code. That'll get you the 40% discount. All right. That'll get you the 40% discount. And the first 18 people to do so will get a free Amazon Kindle Fire HD tablet with their membership. All right. So use that coupon code, guys. Remember, that price goes up at midnight. All right, guys. Now I want to move on to the daily market recap. What went on today in the markets? We had a wild rip into the close. Market started off quiet. We had a big close. All right. For this, I'm going to pull up a presentation that I've got for you all. Okay. I'm going to pull up a presentation that I have for you all. There's a link in the description below. You can download this link in a PDF form, and you guys can keep it for your own records. So let's go ahead real quick. Have to get the link, which I do not yet have, to our presentation. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, and here we go. All right, guys, here we go. So here's your stock market. Here's your stock market recap on the day. All right, let's talk about what happened in the markets today, and then we're going to get into the trade recaps, and we'll talk about some lessons. Okay. Wild day in the markets, folks. Wild day in the markets. It was a flat day for the S&P and NASDAQ for most of the session, and then power hour, we saw a huge surge across all markets ahead of tomorrow's payroll data. Okay. Great initial jobless claims. First time since the pandemic that initial jobless claims have dropped below 500,000. They were expected at 540,000. They came in 498,000. That's a great number. U.S. productivity rose at a 5.4% annual rate in the first quarter. Decent number there. Rising concerns of the capital gains taxes did resurface today. There was some chatter in D.C. about the tax, the capital gains tax that sent markets lower when Biden initially announced that capital gains tax plan, but the markets have since recovered that, leading to some caution in the markets early on. Top stories of the day. Dow components were the stars. Cautious trading and growth stocks saw value stocks gaining. Industrials, financials, utilities. The Dow reached another record high on Thursday. Another record high today. Okay. We talked about this value trade, right? We talked about this on the last live stream. We've talked about this several times in the last couple of months. If you've been following my live streams for a while, you guys will know that we've talked about this many, many times. Okay. Vaccine makers still in focus. The market did drop yesterday after the comments from President Biden supporting the patent protection waiver, which is basically saying all the companies that have patent protection on their IP for vaccines, they're going to just get rid of that. Well, that's not very good for the companies that own those patents now, is it? But Thursday saw a midday rebound following comments from German Chancellor Angela Merkel saying that she opposes that plan and will not be waiving vaccine patents. The Fed is still driving volatility. The Fed is still driving volatility. Okay, we talked about on Monday that there was a lot going on Fed-wise this week. A lot of different Fed presidents were going to be speaking. Dallas Fed President Bob Kaplan says he sees year-over-year inflation at 2.5% by the end of 2021 and thinks the Fed will debate over bond tapering sooner than later. Remember what I told you. Before interest rates rise, the Fed will have to taper their bond buying. When they decide they're going to start that taper, the next topic of discussion amongst the Fed will be raising rates. So when they start tapering bond buying, you know we're getting close to a potential rate hike, probably within a year. Okay. Atlanta Fed president, though, said that a clear reading on inflation over the next few months will be difficult. There's obviously still a very clear, not necessarily disagreement, but your Fed presidents are not on the same page with regards to inflation. Some people think that inflation is going to be a lot more clear. Some think it's a lot more vague. Some think you're going to have to raise rates sooner. Some think it's going to be later. There's a lot of kind of back and forth going on within the Fed and with some of the statements that Fed presidents are saying. So that's an interesting dialogue that you're really going to want to have to pay attention to going forward. Last round of earnings and economic data to watch going tomorrow. Earnings on Cigna, Nikola, DraftKings, Kronos. No real big ones coming out here tomorrow. Economic data we've been waiting for all week. Payroll data, unemployment data, wholesale trade, and consumer credit. The unemployment data and the payrolls are going to be the numbers that are going to matter most. Another crazy day for crypto and small caps. Crypto took a little breather. Some early momentum helped give cryptos a boost, but gains were muted by the end of the day. Bitcoin did drop back below 57. Bitcoin has really steadied out. Bitcoin has been trading in the $50,000 range now for a little while. Okay. And it seems to have stabilized. Ethereum made another new record high, $3,600. Doge back below 60 after testing 70 yesterday. Another big day for small caps. Guys, the small caps are hot right now. I've hit a small cap or multiple small caps every single day this week. We are crushing small caps right now. I'm going to take you guys over. We're going to go over and recap my trades in just a second. But the follow-through is there. The follow-through is there. Okay? The follow-through is there. You got to be focused on these small caps. Okay? I'm trading them like crazy. Knock on wood, but I can't miss. I can't miss on these. I haven't missed on these things. It's like, it's crazy. These stocks are just absolutely on fire. The moves, there's tremendous follow-through. There's a lot of action. All right. So make sure you guys are zoomed in and zoned in and focus. All right. On those small caps. So that's it, guys. Like I said, you can download this. It's for you. There's a link in the description below. It's all yours. All right. It's all yours. Make sure you guys get your butts in chat and you guys are ready to focus and trade these small caps with me because they're lighting up the board. They're lighting up the board. Huge moves today. All right. Huge moves today. We're going to break that down. All right, guys. Guys, we're also 5-star rated on Trustpilot. I really do encourage you all, before I get into the trade recaps on the day, I really do encourage you all to go and read, to go through and read some of the reviews that are on Trustpilot. Over 1,100 people have taken the time to write us a review on Trustpilot. Over 1,100 people. And we're 5-star rated. I want you to spend just a couple minutes and go through and read some of those reviews, guys. Here, I'll read here. Oh, just 10 minutes ago. Wow. All right, guys, we got a review from Brian Duncan from literally just 10 minutes ago. I need to tell you something about TTG. Let's start this off by saying True Trading Group is the real deal. Their education is spot on and has helped me tremendously. I mean, it's been an amazing 7 months. Clear your head of greed and let the education fulfill your needs. Is this you? Come on, make me more. Come on, make me more. Is that you? Well, if you are not, you are not alone there. We were all there. Take the greed out and you will find and feel the difference. This story is related to education only. Without education, this story would read differently. Started Tuesday. LADS was rocketing, wanted a piece of it. Saw an opportunity at 451. Missed my buy price by 2 cents. Oh well. Forgot to cancel that order. At market open on Wednesday, unknown to me, my account bought 200 shares of LADS. I was away from my account all day on Wednesday, but when I checked it at the end of the day, I was sitting on 200 shares of LADS for all day, even missed the 650 spike from 451. Yes, I made a mistake, didn't cancel my order, and didn't go back and double check orders and transactions. So Wednesday, I put in an order for 545 at open, went to bed. Woke up Thursday, plenty of time before my broker opens. So I set up a sell ticket for 200 shares of 545 to sell it open. Boom, done. Yes, 2 orders for 200 shares in a self-invested IRA account under 20K, no non-margin. So if you have the education, can you spot the potential incoming issue? I am going to have an order to sell 200 shares of the stock in a short position. And behind it will be a buy order of 200 long. Somehow those positions crossed and I did sell, but went short. First off, this account cannot short, not eligible. So I closed the short position. Thanks to TGG, I was able to identify the short position and how to get out. Check to make sure my positions and transactions were good. I turned on the education and called customer support. Once I was able to tell them everything I've learned up to this point regarding the eligibility of this account, they said I was correct. So what did Chase do? Remove the short loss, removed that transaction altogether, and gave me the shares I originally used to close the short position at $8.24 when the stock was at $12. Are you kidding me? Only, and I mean only, the thing that allowed me to pull this off was the education, screen time, morning Culata Club, classroom environment, and the homework forms for the last 7 months. That is the only reason I was able to pull this amazing and educated move and profit over $1,000. So if you ask me, how should I go about learning the stock market? True Trading Group, baby. True Trading Group. That's an awesome review. Brian Duncan, thank you, man. And great job to have the, great job. Really great job. To have the wherewithal to kind of keep your composure in that moment. That's the education, brother. Great job, man. Really great job. Proud of you, man. Really proud of you for pulling that off. Nicely done. Really nicely done. Awesome. Guys, also don't forget, May 22nd is Trader Palooza. Trader Palooza is a all-day long, 12-hour virtual trading workshop where me and the rest of my moderators host 1-hour workshops for 12 hours straight, covering various trading topics. We will send out an itinerary. You guys will be able to see what moderator is hosting what topic workshop at what time. This way you can plan your day and log in and log out of Trader Palooza based on the workshops that you wish to attend. If you cannot attend it on Saturday, don't worry. It will be recorded. It will be loaded up in your video library. Trader Palooza is a members-only event. You have to be a member of True Trading Group in order to join. It is totally free for my THD members. You do not have to pay more for Trader Palooza. I promise you. You'll learn more during Trader Palooza than you've probably learned in the entire last year on your own. My THD fam, how amazing is Trader Palooza? Honestly, Trader Palooza is worth the price of a membership on its own. Guys, it's a 12-hour long workshop where we cover different trading topics, me and the rest of the moderators. It's amazing. I love it. It's an entire day of learning and education. You can ask questions and interact with other members. It's awesome. It is absolutely awesome. It's a true learning experience. The THC fam loves it. You got a lot of members who it's going to be their first Trader Palooza. This is our 5th. This is going to be our 5th Trader Palooza. I cannot wait. I'm really excited. So make sure you guys mark that down. May 22nd. All right, May 22nd, we're going to be doing Trader Palooza. All right, you have to be a member to attend. If you're not a member, I'm sorry, you got to join. You got to use coupon code THD121. Get that price all the way down to $13.14. All right. All right, guys. So let's go ahead now, and I want to take things over. To the charts, and I want to break down for you guys now the lessons of the day. The lessons we're going to be talking about here, guys, are going to be about how to trade small caps. I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about hotkeys. All right, I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about hotkeys too. So let's go ahead right now and take things over to the charts, and let's begin our lessons of the day. All right, guys, here we go. Okay, so let's go through and let's recap the trades from the day today first. All right, NMRD was the first winner of the day, and we caught this nice extension right off the opening bell. Now, trading small caps has everything to do with reading momentum. Okay, has everything to do with reading momentum. Reading momentum, the best way for you to get a gauge on if a stock has momentum or not is going to be the trading volume. Volume is your best indication of momentum. NMRD today was gapping up above the prior day's high. Pre-market, I told my entire THD fam, every pre-market, I come on the microphone, I go over the watch list, and I go over my game plan. I tell my members exactly what I think a stock is going to do, And what I plan on going to do, where am I going to be a buyer? Where's my support levels? Where are my take profit targets? Okay, my TC fam, they can all verify that everything I'm telling you guys, this is how it goes down in chat every single day. I told everybody pre-market, guys, watch for yesterday's highs. I actually said $11.75 to $12. Watch for that area to be support. That is verbatim what I said pre-market. Well, let's go in here and let's draw a line across yesterday's highs. Okay, there's yesterday's highs on NMRD. Okay, and where is the low of the day today? We opened, let me zoom this all the way in so you guys only see this. This is what we saw. This is what I saw when I entered this trade. That's it. That's all I saw. It's all I saw when we entered this trade. Okay? Look at the resistance at yesterday's highs. Look at the support at yesterday's highs now. We gap above it, it becomes support. But where's the key here? The key here is the volume. I want you to pay attention to these volume bars, okay? You guys see these volume bars that are coming through here? Notice how heavy these volume bars are. Now, I'm going to zoom this out for a minute so you can get a gauge on the volume that was coming through yesterday, okay? You can get a gauge at the volume bars that were coming in yesterday. When a stock has a big day, listen to me closely, write this down. This is a very important key piece of information that can help you with momentum in small caps. When a stock has a big day, yesterday NMRD had a big day. We actually nailed this thing yesterday. Look at the move this stock made yesterday. Are you kidding me? It's a monster move. We nailed this thing in the afternoon. Okay, we bought NMRD yesterday afternoon right there. Right there is where we bought NMRD yesterday afternoon. You can see the move that it made later in the day. So it was a big move yesterday. So after a stock has a big day, when that bell opens for day two, this will be day two. If the volume that comes in off that bell is heavier than the volume at any moment during the prior day is when the stock had momentum, right? Look at the move the stock made. The stock went from $5 all the way to $11.50. The stock had momentum yesterday. So when the bell rings the following day, if that volume is bigger than the volume that occurred the prior day when the momentum was there, that's a sign momentum is still in the stock at that moment. Notice the volume off the bell this morning. Look at that. So when I saw that volume coupled with this initial pullback into the prior high, it held. That was my sign to jump in. That was my sign to jump in. I'll give you guys the exact timestamp on the day. 9:32 a.m. Long at 12:35. Right there. There's my entry, NMRD at $12.35. And then you get this beautiful extension move, increasing volume. Now look at the volume that's come. Look at this volume. Look at this volume. By far, heaviest volume than at any point during the day. Yet, like if we drew a line across your heaviest volume bars yesterday, and then you zoom in, look at this. That was the sign of momentum. Okay? That's a sign of momentum. And we rode this thing all the way up, guys. Rode this thing all the way up. Take profits at 1343. Okay, take profit at 1343. Take profit at 1437. Take profit at where we at? Next one, 1527. And last and final take profit on the last tiny piece, 1278. Okay, this was a quick trade. Okay, my trades usually last longer than this. My trades are usually, several minutes to several hours long. But this is a quick momentum trade. And again, with small caps, identifying momentum, that's how you trade small caps. You have to be able to identify momentum in order to trade small caps correctly. And in order to identify momentum, you've got to be able to understand and read volume analysis. Volume analysis is something that I teach my members in great detail. Understanding volume will be a complete game changer for your trading. If somebody held a gun to my head and said, Mike, you can trade today, but you can only use one indicator, what would it be? I would not even think about it. The answer is volume, because volume is going to give me the best insight into whether a stock has momentum or not. And that's why it's so crucial for you to understand volume. Wow, guys, there's a really bad storm outside. So power might go out, but we'll see. All right. So here's that move in NMRD, guys. Really great job for those of you that caught this trade and benefited on the NMRD move. Really great job. Okay. Next was LEDS. This was a monster. Okay. This was another monster. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Look at the follow through you guys are getting. Again, it all comes down to understanding momentum and reading volume. Okay. Now, what you'll see here on LEDS, right off the open, we shot up and halted, and then you had your little pullback. This is your first pullback of the day. First pullback. When you get your first pullback, that establishes the initial morning high. Okay, so there is your initial morning high. There it is. There's your initial morning high. Now, when a stock breaks through the initial morning high, with the heaviest volume of the entire day, the chances of that previous high becoming support greatly increases. What you will then see is a few minutes of consolidation. Okay, you will see a few minutes of consolidation, and then look at that. So now look, again, follow me. This is by far the heaviest volume that this stock has traded at any point during the day. When that occurs on a break through the initial morning high, you look for that previous high to be support. And there it was, beautiful support. You also had your trade line, your VWAP indicators, all lining up together to give you that buying zone. But for this lesson, we're not talking trade line or VWAP. We'll save that for another time. This lesson's all about volume. This lesson is all about volume. How do we find these stocks, Bevan? With your membership to True Trading Group, you get a stock scanner. You get the Trade Ideas stock scanner that is streamed live to our members all day, every day. That'll show you stocks that are making new highs, your leading gappers, your top gainers, your volume analysis. Your volume surges. This is how you guys will be able to identify all these stocks. Not to mention, you've got a chat room with about 2,400 traders that are educated, that know what to look for, that have a professional education, that are not going to let a trade like this slip them by. Okay. So on this tail, this actually happened really fast. I tried stepping in here to be a buyer, and I actually never got filled, and the stock shot up and halted. Okay. But coming out of that halt, coming right out of that halt, I jump in there and I'm a buyer now because of the momentum that we have identified. There it is, guys. There's your stock scanner. Thank you, Adam. That was your stock scanner, guys. Okay. So we come right in here now, guys, after coming out of that halt, and I'm jumping in here long. This was the halt right here. We halted right there. That's where the stock halted. Okay. So when we came out of that halt, we had this little pullback, and I jumped in long right there. $8.18. $8.18. Okay. At 10:13 a.m. $8.18 because of the volume. Understanding the momentum. Volume will show you if a stock has momentum. And the rest is history. Look at this move. Are you kidding me? Look at the volume. Remember, what did we just talk about? Volume will show you the way. Volume, just consistent, steadily increasing volume, and we just start peeling profits off the table as the stock climbs. First take profit, 870 and 858. Second take profit, 907. This is actually more over here. Okay, 907. Next take profit, 1069. Okay, well, this is the entry actually. I mean, I'll change that so you don't confuse it. I'll change that so that's the entry. Make it a square. Okay, so there's your entry at 818, and here's your take profits up along the way. Just a home run trade. And it all goes back to the volume. If there's one thing you guys take away from my live streams, let it be a better and more thorough understanding of volume. Okay? Let it be a more thorough understanding of volume. Okay? And there you have it, folks. That's how you guys will use volume to identify momentum so that you can trade these small caps correctly. It all comes down to the volume. And guys, I do this live in chat all day, every day. I'm talking to you guys throughout the day. I'm telling you exactly what I'm seeing. I'm telling you where I'm buying, where I'm taking profit, where's my stop loss. Then I'm moving my stop loss as the trade works out. I'm telling you, guys, I'm moving my stop loss to 9. I'm moving my stop loss to here. My next take profit's here. I'm walking you through the trade step by step by step on the microphone like I'm talking to you now in real time. My TC fam, right or wrong? Right or wrong? Do I not walk you guys through every single trade live on the microphone? All right. Now, what I will talk about real quick, briefly, guys, if you are going to be trading stocks like this, okay, you're going to be trading these small caps that are this volatile. You should have hotkeys or hot buttons. These stocks move very quickly, okay? Like a stock like LEDS can move $1.50, $2 within 2 minutes. So if it takes you 30 seconds to enter a trade, well, guess what? That stock might have moved 75 cents by the time you enter your order. Okay? So talk to your broker, see if they have the hotkeys or hot buttons. Ask them to walk you through getting set up with hotkeys or hot buttons. Okay? I did a workshop in the video library that walks you through my hotkey setup, how to use them. Teaching members, make sure you guys go through that video. Okay, make sure you guys go through that video on how to use your hotkeys. Make sure that hotkeys are, you're basically, guys, you're placing orders with one stroke of the keyboard. Okay, so I push a button on my keyboard, I buy. I push another button, I sell. Make sure you have a trigger key. A trigger key activates your hotkey. You don't want to just, if your cat jumps up on your keyboard, you buy 1,000 shares. Okay, my trigger key is the shift key. So I hold down the shift key that activates my hotkeys. So when I hold shift and press the letter L, I market order a buy. When I hold shift and press the letter A, I market order a sell. When I hold shift and press the letter W, I limit order a buy. When I hold shift and press the letter P, I limit order a sell. When I hold shift key and press the letter S, it's a market closeout. It market order sells every share that I own on that particular stock. This is how I could place orders within fractions of a second. The amount of time it takes me to press a key on a keyboard. That's how fast I can execute trades. If you're going to trade a stock as fast moving as like an LEDS, you should have the same capabilities because the stocks move that quickly. There's also hot buttons, which is instead of using your keyboard, you use one click of your mouse. One click of your mouse, you can buy and you can sell. Okay. Talk to your broker. Have them walk you through getting set up with hotkeys or hot buttons, whatever they have on their platform. But if you want to trade stocks like this, it's very important that you use hotkeys. Do you ever get stuck in halts? Yeah, guys, I get stuck in halts sometimes. You know. Now, I have Lightspeed. Lightspeed has the best execution by far. So, I will tend to get out of positions more often than not going into a halt. But sometimes, even with light speed, sometimes I get stuck in a halt sometimes. But that's why it's so important for you guys to use hotkeys, because of my hotkeys, I can get out of stocks right before they halt. Okay. And you'll know that a stock is about to halt when you're looking at level 2, and all of a sudden, like the bid and the ask are at the same price, and all the market makers come to that one price, and a ton of volume is going through. Like there's a bunch of trades going through at that one price, but the market makers aren't moving. That means the stock is about to halt. You got to try to get out before that halt occurs. If you got a crappy platform, you're probably not going to get out. But even if you have a good platform, you've got to be quick. Okay, you've got to be quick. Okay, it's like first come, first serve. What orders get executed before the halt takes place. And if you're last in queue, you're last in queue, and you're not going to get filled before the halt. Okay, so you still got to be fast. That's why the hotkeys are so important. That's why the hotkeys are so important. All right. Good. Got it? Cool. All right, guys. So that just does it there, guys, for the trade recaps and the lessons on the day. Listen, guys, it's my goal with all these live streams to make sure you guys get value out of them and make sure you learn something. I want to know if you did. Go ahead and type the number 1 right now in chat if you got value out of this live stream. If these lessons on volume and hotkeys and small caps and momentum, was this helpful for you? I want to know. Type the number 1 in chat right now. Look at all these number 1s. Beautiful. Awesome, guys. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Excellent. Excellent. Thank you, guys. Go ahead and smash that like button. Go ahead and smash that like button, guys. If you guys got value from this, smash that like button. Now I want to know, type the letters TTG in chat if you're not a member of True Trading Group. If you're not a member of True Trading Group, type the letters TTG. Yusuf Falaguido. H Money, Rogelio, Harleen, Stacy, or Stassi, Mockingbird, TBN, Rohani, Floyd Brooks, Bevan, Rohini Kumar, Michael Batts, Kevin Argetta, Joe McKenna, Hewlin Fuller, Darian Calderas, Sam E., Katie Marquardt, Krishna Parsad. Good, guys. Listen, all of you that are typing TTG in chat right now, listen, no one's going to do the work that's needed for you guys to reach your goals. I told you trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You've got to be willing to put in a little bit of effort, but it all starts with getting the right education, having access to the right tools, and being part of the right community that's going to help you guys to learn, trade, and profit. That's what True Trading Group is all about. I told you a membership would normally cost $2,212 for the year, but from now until midnight tonight is your last chance to save 40% to get a price all the way down at just $1,314 and get a free Amazon Kindle Fire HD tablet while supplies still last. I think we have 18 left. I think we got about 18 of them left. I think we said from before. All right, guys, they're first come, first serve. This offer expires at midnight. 14 left. I'm sorry, there's 14 left. 14 laptops left. Guys, there's no upsells in True Trading Group. There's no add-ons. You pay that one price for the whole year. You get access to everything we have. Remember, think of us like the Netflix of trading communities. You pay one price for the year. You get access to everything. As a member, you get access to the top premium trading tools and products because we bundle them together as part of your membership. You guys get access to Benzinga Pro's real-time news feed. This is right inside of our chat room. It gives you live breaking to the second news alerts inside a chat. I can't even tell you how much money I've made and saved because of this news service. In this market environment, the trader that gets the news first wins. And we get that Benzinga news like that. I use it. My mods use it. My members use it all day, every day. It is an absolutely invaluable tool that is a must-have for active traders. It's included with your membership. You get quote streams, real-time level 1, real-time full book level 2, real-time options data. That comes with a trade simulator that lets you guys trade stocks and options with fake money, where you can practice implementing what you learn in the courses. Use the simulator. Prove to yourself you can make money on the simulator before you start trading with real money. You also get access to a trade ideas scanner. We showed you that earlier. That shows you what stocks are gapping up, which stocks are making new highs. This will help you guys identify the best stocks for you to be trading on the day. Then you also get access to TradingView's Pro charting software. This is the most commonly used charting software by active traders today. It's yours free. All of these tools, products, and resources, the news feed, the level 2, the simulator, the scanner, the charting software, it is all included with your membership. There's no additional fee for any of these services. Then you're going to get at least a minimum of 10 easy to follow, actionable, real-time trade alerts per week from a community of traders that's sporting about an 83% win rate. We are fully transparent in TTG. We keep a trading journal on our website that tracks every buy and every sell that all of our moderators make, so you can see for yourself and track all of our performance. It's right there on the site for you guys to see. Then you're going to get access to a small private study group. This is your chance to ask questions, go over lessons and topics that you need help with. Then you get access to the entire curriculum. This is a 15-course curriculum, guys. It's a simplified version of the stuff I learned working at the fund. Beginner courses, advanced courses, the foundation courses, options courses, swing trading, trader psychology, how to trade in a market crash. You name it, we've got it in text and video format, whichever is easier for you to learn. On top of the courses, in addition, is a video library. These are recorded workshops and webinars that we've done with members that cover various trading topics. There's over 100 hours of additional educational video content in that video library. Some of those topics are like how to trade by working a full-time job, how to grow a small account, how to resist FOMO and have confidence pulling the trigger, just to name a couple of them. And then don't forget, May 22nd, Trader Palooza, 12-hour long event where we're going to be covering different topics about trading. We're going to cover swing trading, day trading, options, you name it, guys, we're doing it. May 22nd, it will be recorded and it will be loaded up into the video library for those that cannot attend. Remember, you got to be a member to Trading Group to attend. I guarantee you're going to learn more during that Trader Palooza than you've learned in the entire last year. All right. You guys get access to me, the moderators. You can private message us during the day. The value you're getting right now at $1,314 is insane. Use this coupon code, guys. Take advantage of this offer. Let me put things into perspective. Benzinga charges $1,188 a year for their news feed. QuoteStream charges $990 a year for their full book level 2. ET&A charges $750 a year for their trading simulator. And TradingView charges $720 a year for their Pro Plus charting software. Those 4 tools, if you were not a member of True Trading Group, would cost you $3,648 a year. They are included with your membership. Take advantage. Use the coupon code TTG121. Get the 40% discount. Pay only $13.14. Also, next year, when our membership is $2,500 and it comes time for your membership to renew, you will only pay $13.14. The price you pay today is the price you pay for life. So you might save 40% today. You're going to be saving 50% next year. We are walking our price up to $2,500. This is not a sales gimmick. We will be above 2K before you know it. Our goal is to disrupt this entire industry, guys. In order to do so, we need to provide value and results at a price substantially less than our so-called competitors. And even once we go over 2K, that's still less than our competition, and we're providing you 10 times the value. My TGD fam, a lot of you here, watch this. A lot of you that are maybe considering joining the group and you're not quite sure, this will help. My TGD fam, sound off in chat right now if you are making money with True Trading Group. And if you are, comment how much. Give me what does that look like? You're making money with True Trading Group. What's that look like? If you don't mind sharing, comment in chat right now. Anyone that's on the fence that's considering joining, I want you to pay close attention to the chat right now. Read the comments coming through chat. These are real people. There's no difference between them and you. They found True Trading Group same way you did, and that's on a live stream, guys. We're not advertising all over the place. These live streams are how people find us. They found True Trading Group same way you did, wanting to learn. If they can do it, so can you. Kathy the Stock Gal has made $12,500 in just the last 4 days. Jean-Francois St. Pierre has made $1,600 this week. $3,000 last quarter while working a full-time job for Flynn Lowe. Micah Natasha, $2,500 profit this week. Bruce Sears made $600 today alone. Lex made $200 today alone. David Egan has made $4,000 in the last 4 weeks. Donna Horton made $7,000 today. My boy Rhino, $2,500 this week, and that's with a $16,000 account. Beanstalk made $166 today. Shiny did $30,000 in the last 6 months. Skyburst is hitting consistent gains now. Rick's Video made $900 off my Peloton trade. Scott, $15,000 last week. Oh my God, and Kathy the Stock Gal did that $12,000 profit while on the trial. 10% daily returns guaranteed for Derek Aibo. Jason Walkenbach started with $3,000, is now up to $5,500. He just joined in March. Incredible. Rose Smith made $124 today, and she's just starting out. Happy Glass, $1,300 Thursday. Mona Reed is a newbie and has made $1,700 in just 3 days. Julie Colts made $140 on LEDS today. Vi Lee up $2,500 this week alone. Guys, there is absolutely no difference between these people and you. They found True Trading Group the same way you did. They work a full-time job same way you did. They don't know anything about trading stocks prior to joining same way you don't. And here they are making money. The difference? In education. Use the coupon code TTG121. Get yourself the education. Lock in that discount before the price goes up. Get the free Amazon Kindle Fire HC tablet. What do you have to lose? I'm giving you a money-back guarantee. If you guys have ever considered trying to do this, trying to generate a second income stream, trying to build a long-term portfolio, trying to learn how to trade, the time to do so is now. The time to do so is right now. Worst case scenario, go through the courses, pass the quizzes, attend a private study group. If you do those 3 things and you don't make back $1,314 one time throughout your membership, I'll give you all your money back. I'm basically guaranteeing your membership. Worst case scenario, you sign up, you get a free Kindle. Guys, this is real talk. This isn't FOMO. I'm being real with you. I'm telling you all right now, we're moving our price over $2,000. You can get it right now for $1,314. Tomorrow, the price will be higher. Next week, higher. Next month, higher. And so on and so on and so on. Do not come back on this live stream and have me tell you the price is now $1,500. Because we will get there. And if you have a small account, don't stress it. The majority of my members started with small accounts. I see some people asking about, well, what about small accounts? How big does your account have to be in order to make money, says Floyd Brooks. So guys, my TG fam, Floyd Brooks wants to know, how big does your account have to be in order to make money? Floyd Brooks, watch this. I'm not going to answer the question for you. My members will answer the question. My TG members, how many of you started with less than $1,000 in your account? And if you did, comment how much right now in chat. Comment right now in chat, guys. All right, we got Las Vegas Trader, 500. Julie started with $150. Lex says she started with 500. Canyon Ridge started with 500. Jason Panian, 350. Ben D. Pasquale, $100. Jean-Francois St. Pierre, $1,284. Celeste, $1,000. Mikas, $500. Peyton Weaver, $350. YZFR, one guy, $200. Jessa, $500. CC started with 500, is now up to 1,100. Avi May just joined the group. Avi May, congratulations. Welcome to the family. Give a big warm welcome to Avi May. All right, you guys are seeing right now, you don't need a lot of money in order to day trade. Okay? You don't need a lot of money in order to make money trading, guys. You see here right now all of my members that started with less than $1,000. You don't need $50,000 in order to start making money. Alan Albury started with $300. He's now up to $3,500. And yes, we have members from all over the world, and we do welcome Canadians, okay? We have members literally from all over the world, guys. We have members in Canada. We have members in Australia, New Zealand, Japan, the Philippines, the Netherlands, Italy, Spain, the UK, Brazil, Chile. We have members from all over the world. And Ireland. Johnny, that's for you. And Ireland as well. Okay? And Ireland as well. Jay Cisco started with $1,300 in February, is now up to $23,000. Absolutely incredible. Absolutely incredible. All right. Guys, we give back to all of our members too. Don't forget, we're like 65% of the way there. Trying join from India. Yeah, we have a lot of India members. We have a lot of India members. We have a lot of members from India. A lot of members from India. Like I said, I have members from all over the world. All right. So, guys, that giveaway, we're about 65% of the way there. All right, guys, there's only 8 Kindles left. There's only 8 Kindles left, guys. They're first come, first serve. So use that coupon code TTG121. You'll know that you are one of the 8 if the Kindle is in your checkout. We started with 100 Kindles on Monday. We have 8 left. They're free. We even cover the shipping. It's the perfect tool for you guys to stay connected while you're on the go. Okay? You'll see the Kindle in your checkout if you are one of the 8. Okay? You'll see it. If you go to your checkout page and it's not there, that means we've sold out of Kindles. We got 8 of them left. So use the coupon code TTG121. Remember, you got to type in that code and click apply code to get the discount. The price is going up tomorrow. Small caps are hot. We're on fire. Get your butts in chat. Don't forget we have the 1-week trial, TTGTHREE.com. It's only $3. It's non-reoccurring, no auto renew. You guys want to try us out for a week, be my guest. But you will not get the 13, 14 price point. You're not going to get that big discount, and you're not going to get a free Amazon Kindle Fire. Okay? That big discount and that Kindle Fire are for those people that use coupon code TTG121. But if you guys want to try us out for a week, go for it. TTGTHREE.com and get your butts in chat. I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Thanks for joining me. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, and yes, of course, smash that like button. You guys are the best. I love you all. Have a great night. I'll see you in chat tomorrow. We're going to finish the week.